terrorist tensions continue to escalate in Jammu and Kashmir as intelligence agencies now report a surge in terror movements, as several groups have been spotted in Pulwama, Anantnag and Doda, with security forces identifying 70 to 80 Pakistani terrorists active in the region. Experts are now linking this to, of course, limited snowfall, making infiltration easier. Home Minister Amit Shah, on the other hand, has also held high-level security meetings amid the rising attacks. With threats mounting, authorities are now stepping up measures to safeguard civilians and also security personnel.
Amid a rise in terrorist activities in the Jammu region, intelligence agencies have observed a significant increase in the movement of various terrorist groups across the Kashmir region too. As per intelligence reports, several terrorist groups were recently spotted in the Pulwama, Anantnag and Doda districts. Security forces have reportedly identified 4 to 5 Lashkar-e-Toiba operatives active north of the Pir Panjal range, with an estimated 70 to 80 Pakistani terrorists currently active in Kashmir, including the Pir Panjal region.
Pakistan has increased the support activities to terrorist groups in Jammu and Kashmir by inducting additional Pak-trained terrorists. This year, first they inducted these groups in Jammu, and immediately preceding the elections as well as beyond, there was increased terrorist activity in Jammu region. Now it is observed that these terrorists who had infiltrated in Jammu have possibly crossed over the Pir Panjal and got inducted into the South Kashmir Valley.
Experts attribute the increased terrorist infiltration to limited snowfall, which has expanded their operational reach and heightened risks for security forces.
This is because of the very limited snowfall that occurred this season, where Kashmir has seen not much snow as well as rain, facilitating movement across the ranges. Now we can expect these groups to activate the Kashmir Valley by carrying out terrorist attacks.
Over the past few months, the Jammu and Kashmir region has seen a rise in terror attacks, resulting in civilian as well as security personnel's casualties. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also chaired multiple security review meetings with Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, LG Manoj Sinha, senior army officers and intelligence chiefs. According to the former J&K DGP, Pakistan has activated its terror camps across the border and is attempting to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir.
यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह जी ने दिल्ली में एक सिक्योरिटी रिव्यू मीटिंग बैक टू बैक 2-3 बार ली हैं, क्योंकि दिल्ली में कंसर्न है रिगार्डिंग जम्मू कश्मीर की जो सिक्योरिटी सिचुएशन है, क्योंकि रिपोर्ट्स पार से आ रही हैं कि टेरर कैंप्स को दोबारा एक्टिवेट किया जा रहा है और इन्फिल्ट्रेशन की कोशिश की जा रही है, जिस तरह की सीज फायर वायलेशन रजौरी पुंछ में देखी गई, अखनूर में आईडी में कुछ कैजुअलिटीज़ हुई। तो ये दिखाता है कि पाकिस्तान दोबारा कोशिशें कर रहा है जम्मू कश्मीर को गर्म करने की।
The former J&K top cop also asserted that Pakistan is rattled after the abrogation of Article 370 and is trying to divert attention from internal issues, particularly regarding public opinion about their army.
जिस तरह से 370 के हटने के बाद इकोसिस्टम को तोड़ने की कोशिश की वो जारी रह रही है, उससे काफ़ी सुधार सिचुएशन में आया है और कश्मीर वैली में ऑलमोस्ट नॉर्मल सिचुएशन जैसी हो रही है। लेकिन पाकिस्तान को ये बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा और उनके अंदरूनी हालात इतने ख़राब हैं कि अपनी लोगों की जो वहाँ पब्लिक ओपिनियन है वहाँ की आर्मी के बारे में।
With the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir remaining critical, authorities are implementing proactive measures to combat terrorism and safeguard civilians and security personnel.